Hello everybody, this is Andrew X from the Soft Guys, and today I'll be showing you how I made my track Moving Mountains. So it started out as an Irish track that I made a long time ago before I made this album, but then I added my signature instrument from the album onto it. Behind the bagpipes. And threw it on the album last minute. So to start off showing you what I did, I think I better just start over here. So I used this vocal chop two different places near the drop. I used it right here. But it kind of just sits in the background to add some more layers into the drop. And then I added it right here, right before the other one. And I added reverb to both of them. Now I got this from a Styx sample pack, I think. And over here, the bagpipes I got from Sakura. It's the Bode number 8 preset. Then my signature instrument, same as always. I got it in my Citrus and I put it over from here. Then how about the chords? A Keyzone classic piano, but FL keys will do just fine. A sound from GMS. And Fire Waver from the Firebird plugin, which is free. A basic GMS bass. Probably should have turned on the distortion on it. To settle down the bass, I got this sub bass that I got from Citrus. With a little bit of echo on it in GMS. It's called Lead 3. So this was mostly made using stock plugins because I am poor, broke, and don't have enough for expensive sounds. I've got this fader in, which you can do by adding an automation clip to this and having it expand out. Achieve this effect is I had these slightly off beat to go right behind the kick drum. Just gotta give it a little bit more bounce. Now the drums. my claps, my snares, my hi-hats. An XXX Tentacion kit is where I got that kick. So that's how I made my track Moving Mountains. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and watch more of our videos.